Brown sugar, white sugar. They're both popular ingredients for sweetening our food. But which one's healthier for us? Let's break it down in this video. First, we need to look at how they're produced. White sugar can come from either sugarcane or sugar beets. It's heavily processed to remove molasses, leaving pure white crystals. Meanwhile, brown sugar retains its molasses or has them added back after refining. Unrefined or raw brown sugar can only come from sugarcane. Refined brown sugar is similar to white sugar. It can be from both sugarcane and sugar beets. Now, how about their nutrient profiles? Does brown sugar have more nutrients than white sugar? If we're talking about raw brown sugar, then yes. It does have more minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium due to the molasses. Now, when it comes to their taste and texture, white sugar is drier and has a neutral sweetness because it lacks molasses. On the other hand, brown sugar's molasses make it more moist and give a caramel-like flavor. When it comes to choosing between sugars, organic raw brown sugar stands out. It's less processed than white sugar, which makes it a bit healthier. Think of it as the better, more wholesome option for your sweet cravings. But let's be real, brown sugar is still sugar. We still shouldn't have too much of it. So whether you prefer the caramel flavors of brown sugar or the straightforward sweetness of white sugar, let's always have them in moderation. Organic brown sugar is a step closer to a healthier lifestyle. But we should still enjoy our sweet treats sparingly. It's all about balance. Wouldn't you agree? Thanks for tuning in. If you found these quick tips helpful, you can like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts and advice.